I'm Brittany with WTI, and I have really been enjoying getting into resin crafts. So that's why I was really happy to find this 1 gallon A&B resin by TAKIMO. I really was impressed right away. I am a beginner when it comes to doing big resin projects. I noticed right away that the smell was not strong. I also liked how easy it mixed. It did not create a lot of bubbles, and when I poured, especially if you just got a heat gun out and got, which is what they recommend, to just be there if bubbles do surface. It's so crystal clear and it is so level. I made 8 coasters and 2 trays, and it's amazing how flat the surface is, which is very important when you are dealing with coasters or trays, because you're putting cups, you're putting items on the serving trays, and you don't want things to roll or fall off. I absolutely loved everything about it. Not only is it such high quality resin, but it comes in such a huge quantity. If you are wanting to do bigger resin projects like coasters or trays or even maybe a table, you definitely want to get high quality resin, and that's what this is. It is clear that this is the best choice, but that's my point of view.